am Mr. Monkinbelly
And I am the Amazing Biff.
We are travelers of the world. We do all sorts of stuff. Won't you come and join us? Sing songs and have some fun. Be part of our happy world until the day is done.
We're going to do a song. It's called Fly Little Bird, and I wrote this song. It's got 4 animals, and I've got it right this time. 4 animals. The first one is a bird. The second one is a rabbit. The third one is a snake. And the fourth one is a butterfly or a flutterby. If you're going this way across the room, it's a butterfly. If you're going that way across the room, it's a flutterby. Okay? So you can stand up and you can do the actions. For the bird, it's like this.
Yeah.
It's like this. And then for the rabbit, it's jumping up and down like that. And then for the snake, it's like that, or maybe 2 of them together. And then for the flutterby or butterfly, you can go like this, or you can go like this, or you can go like that. You can try to go like that. I don't know if you can do it. Okay, let's just... Ready.
Slither, little snake, slither to the hillside. Slither, little snake, won't you slither on home? Slither, little snake, slither to the hillside. Slither, little snake, won't you slither on home? Crawl away, crawl away, crawl away home. 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 Flutter, butterfly, flutter to the hillside. Flutter, butterfly, won't you flutter on home? Flutter, butterfly, flutter to the hillside. Flutter, butterfly, won't you flutter on home? Flutter away, flutter away, flutter away home. 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 Fly, little bird, fly to the hillside. Fly, little bird, won't you fly away home? Fly, little bird, fly to the hillside. Fly, little bird, won't you fly away home? Fly away home, fly away home.
Excellent animals out there. Excellent. Nicely done.